This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Roblox Zoro. First, we'll identify the core elements of his iconic appearance. Then, we'll gather all the necessary avatar items from the Roblox catalog. Finally, I'll guide you through customizing your avatar to perfectly embody the legendary swordsman. This easy guide will help you create a detailed and recognizable Roronoa Zoro, ready for any adventure on the platform. Get ready to transform your character into the Straw Hat Pirate's formidable fighter. To truly capture Zoro's essence, you'll need a few key items. Start by finding a green, three-sword style outfit, which is fundamental to his look. Next, select a black bandana or head wrap to complete his distinctive headwear. Don't forget his signature 3 katanas. These are crucial for his unique fighting style. Look for accessories that allow you to equip all 3 swords simultaneously for maximum accuracy. Once you have your items, it's time for customization. Adjust your avatar's body proportions to give him a strong, muscular build, reflecting his physical prowess. Use face accessories to replicate his iconic scar under his left eye, adding a crucial detail. Carefully position the 3 swords to achieve his famous 3-sword style, with 1 in his mouth and 2 in his hands. Pay close attention to these small details for an authentic portrayal. With your avatar customized, take a moment to review your creation. Check for any missing details or areas that could be improved for greater accuracy. Experiment with various animations and poses available in Roblox to bring your Zoro to life, showcasing his powerful stance. Finally, share your impressive Roronoa Zoro avatar with your friends and fellow players, ready to embark on countless adventures across the Roblox universe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.